Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare stir fry mushroom with vegetables or veggies. Guys, to make the stir fry mushroom with veggies, I have cleaned this mushroom and I have totally washed it and have cutted the mushroom into these pieces. Okay, and now I will say you the rest of the procedure to make the stir fry mushroom with vegetables. So let's get started with the recipe. Guys, to make the stir fry mushroom with vegetables or veggies, we need to put refined oil first. Will not use too much oil. We'll just put 1.5 tablespoon of oil. We'll wait for the oil to heat it properly. So our oil is heated properly. So now I will put garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, now I will put 1 medium-sized onion chopped, and here I will put a little bit of salt. And now I will put this mushroom. We'll mix this. And here I will put red chili powder, here about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt according to taste, sugar according to preferences. We'll let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, now it's time to put the veggies. Here I have carrot, capsicum and green beans. So I have already boiled it with a pinch of salt. So I will put these veggies in this and will give a good stir. If you think that you need to put a little bit of salt here, you can put. And now I will put black pepper powder, like half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And will again give a mix. This is very healthy dish, guys. You can have it. And mushroom itself is very good for our health. And this dish also contains lots of vegetables, which is also very good for our health. Just will again keep this for another 5 minutes or so. So now again let's see. Yeah. And now I will put 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Mix it properly. We'll give a good mix. So it's almost done. And now I have this roasted sesame seeds. So I will put around 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seeds into this. This will enhance the flavor. Our stir fry mushroom with vegetables or veggies is ready to serve. As you can see how simple this dish is, and this dish is very much healthy as because mushroom is very much beneficial for our body. So please do try this at home and let me know how it was. And if you like this simple recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend and subscribe my channel for this recipe. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.